Keppal.com is an online fashion store offering 40% off site-wide and free shipping on orders over $67.85. The brand's roots trace back to more than a decade in the retail fashion manufacturing industry. Before launching Keppal.com, their team supplied clothing for well-known global brands. Now they operate as a direct-to-consumer business, cutting out the middleman to provide stylish, high-quality apparel at affordable prices. Keppal's product range includes dresses, blouses, sweat sets, and other wardrobe staples. They collaborate with independent and emerging designers, offering fresh, unique styles not found in mainstream stores. The company also emphasizes ethical production, ensuring fair pay and working conditions for employees. Sustainable practices such as using recycled fabrics help reduce waste, reflecting a commitment to environmental responsibility. Additionally, Keppal donates a portion of annual revenue to charities fighting poverty worldwide. Customer feedback and trust ratings. On Trustpilot, Keppal holds an unclaimed profile with 906 reviews and a trust score of 3.5 out of 5. Average rating 3.7. While some customers praise the quality and pricing, others report issues with shipping delays or sizing. On Scam Advisor, Keppal.com scores 100 out of 100, indicating a high likelihood that the site is legitimate. Factors contributing to this score include SSL encryption, a 2-year domain age, and positive hosting country data. Is Keppal.com legit or a scam? Based on available information, Keppal.com appears to be legit and reliable, though experiences may vary depending on order, fulfillment, and personal expectations. The business has a verified online presence, uses secure transactions, and has a history of operations beyond a few months. Common red flags for scams. Conclusion: Keppal offers trendy fashion directly from its own factories, prioritizing ethics and affordability. While most signs point to legitimacy, potential buyers should review sizing charts carefully, read customer feedback, and be aware of possible delivery delays. For those seeking fashionable pieces from a brand with ethical values, Keppal.com could be worth exploring.